Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you just updated your iPhone to iOS 26 and now your Bluetooth isn't connecting? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy fixes to get your Bluetooth working smoothly again. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Swipe down to open the control center. Tap on Bluetooth icon and turn it off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes that quick reset is all it takes. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset network settings. Confirm it one more time. This will reset all of your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and VPN settings. But don't worry, it won't delete any of your personal data. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Apple usually pushes out small fixes after big updates. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install the latest patch. Apple often releases small pushes to fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi issues after a big update. And that's it. One of these solutions should get your Bluetooth back on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.